Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I did a very simple eyeshadow tutorial, smoky eye. I wanted to keep it pretty simple. I just got some new equipment, so I kind of wanted to test it out. I have not been on here in a while. It's been since Valentine's Day, and I've just been going through a lot. I feel like I'm always going through a lot. But I'm back now, so that's all that matters. So keep watching if you want to see how I did this look. Now that my tutorial is done, I hope it was pretty simple for you guys to follow along, which I'm sure it was. So, like, comment, subscribe. You know how that thing goes. And I'll be back with more.